With Dogecoin's current price rally, it's quite easy to wonder, is it still a good investment? Year to date, Dogecoin is up by a very huge margin and is now close to crossing the $50 billion market cap. This makes anyone's rational fear that a correction could be imminent. Well, if you're a long-term investor, Dogecoin could be a good investment for you. In this video, we'll be talking about the reasons why you should buy at least 500 Dogecoins. So check out this video if you want to learn more. You might be asking yourself, how much Dogecoin should I buy? Well, Dogecoin is almost certainly not a good investment in any traditional sense of good investing, but that might just be a reason to buy. Dogecoin was created by software engineer Billy Marcus in only 3 hours. After copying and pasting Bitcoin's core code, Marcus spent the bulk of that time making alterations to the client to make the text Comic Sans. Marcus will be the first to admit that Dogecoin was created as a joke. He even sold his entire position in 2015 just to buy a used Honda Civic. As of May 4th, Dogecoin has surpassed a $75 billion market cap. That's a lot of Honda Civics. Hello there and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. In today's episode, we'll be telling you our reasons for why you should have at least 500 Dogecoin. Today we'll be talking about what Dogecoin is and what makes it so special. There are lots of reasons why you might want to invest in Dogecoin right now. Many think that they have a savvy investor within them with a lot of money, but with some common sense and research, it's pretty accessible even for beginners. With Dogecoin's current price rally, it's quite easy to wonder, is it still a good investment? Year to date, Dogecoin is up by a very huge margin and now close to crossing the $50 billion market cap. This makes everyone's rational fear that a correction could be imminent. Well, if you're a long-term investor, Dogecoin could be a good investment for you. There are lots of factors that make Dogecoin quite a good investment even at the current price. Here are 5 reasons why you should have at least 500 Dogecoin right now. Number 1. Robinhood seems to have become more friendly. Robinhood seems to have dropped its antagonistic stand to rebel community. After criticism from multiple quarters, including from Congress, Robinhood is very friendly. This means that new money looking to buy Dogecoin can now do so with ease. With the ever-rising price, FOMO into Dogecoin is now higher than ever. It is a factor that could see its price keep gaining going forward, and possibly test even higher highs. A couple of factors support this analogy. Number 2. Diamond hands are increasing and bolder. Back in February, diamond hands were few, and not all of them had faith that this could be pulled off successfully. This is evident in the price since the later part of April. The price of Dogecoin has been on the rise consistently. Even when the rest of the market experienced a correction, Dogecoin held strong. There was a day when Bitcoin and most altcoins dipped by about 10%. Dogecoin was the only one in the top 10 that remained in the green. This week, Dogecoin has equally outperformed the entire market. In the last 7 days, it's gained by close to 100%. This means anyone who bought Dogecoin about a week ago is about to double their money. That's proof enough that those who are buying Dogecoin are not selling. The majority of them are keeping it in the hopes that the price will rise even further. With demand accelerating, this could be a perfect time to buy into Doge. Even gains from current prices to $1 would be huge, especially when the trade is done with leverage. Besides, it could always go much higher than $1. Number 3, Dogecoin has the backing of Elon Musk. Elon Musk is adored by retail traders. He is an anti-establishment and he has the money to back it up. He's one of the people that were pro-Wall Street bets when Robinhood disabled many orders from certain stocks. Musk is also pro-crypto and has been quite vocal in his support for Dogecoin. You're probably wondering, is the support of one man enough to buy Dogecoin? Well, yes, Elon Musk is not just anyone. He's one of the richest people on the planet. He also goes all in whatever he sets his mind on. This means anyone who bets against him is highly likely going to lose. For context, Tesla has lots of short sellers a while back. Big money players simply did not believe that Tesla could deliver its orders on time, and Elon proved them wrong, and this triggered a rally in the company's price, making him the richest man on the planet. Not only has Tesla delivered on its orders, but it's also now the largest automaker in the market, way ahead of the likes of Toyota. This is also the guy who's redefining the space industry. He's introduced the reusable rocket, and SpaceX is, of course, on course to be the first private company to land a human being on Mars. When a person of such repute is betting on Dogecoin, you can be sure that he knows what he's doing. Simply put, if one of the world's brightest science minds is betting on Dogecoin, it makes sense to buy it now. Elon Musk has also introduced a long-term perspective to Dogecoin. A while back, he stated that he was buying Doge for his 10-month-old baby. Since a 10-month-old baby does not understand money, it's quite obvious that he did it within the next 10 to 20 years in mind. This is changing the dynamics for Dogecoin, and many holders could also take a similar view to this cryptocurrency. It's a good reason to buy Dogecoin. Dogecoin could achieve price stability. That's because there would be less trading and the number of hodlers would increase. Price stability is already being experienced in Bitcoin since institutional money started taking an interest in it. In the case of Dogecoin, the price stability would play a role in drawing institutional players into Dogecoin. Since Elon Musk started propping it up and the Wall Street Bets crowd took it up, the number of companies that accept Dogecoin as payment has shot up. As more of them adopt and investors hodl, its price will almost certainly keep gaining. It makes sense to buy now and benefit from the long-term price appreciation. Number 4, Dogecoin's developer team is back on the stage. A cryptocurrency is as good as the developer team behind it. The more active the core developer team is, the better it is likely to perform long-term. That's because they can make some improvements that will make the cryptocurrency more adaptable to changing market needs. Dogecoin's developer team has been dead for quite a while. In fact, it was never serious from the very start. This is evident in the sentiment of one of the founders. He stated that the coin was just a joke and should be treated as such. However, since people like Elon Musk started pumping it up, the developer team is back. Not only are they taking care of the network, but also doing improvements to make it better. This is likely to inspire confidence in investors who may have perceived Dogecoin as a joke all through. For this reason, it makes sense to buy Dogecoin today. Number 5, Dogecoin is now a first-tier cryptocurrency. Where a cryptocurrency ranks in market capitalization rankings matters a lot. It makes a cryptocurrency attractive to new investors looking to bet on the market. Today, Dogecoin is an elite-level cryptocurrency as it ranks 8 by market cap rankings. With a market capitalization of $42 billion, to give you an even bigger context of how big Dogecoin is, it's now worth more than British energy giant BP. Such metrics can make anyone getting into the market today want to take Dogecoin seriously. Not only will this deepen its liquidity, but it will also drive up its price momentum going into the future. This in itself is an excellent reason to hold Dogecoin today in anticipation of more gains in the long run. So what now? From what we've just seen, it's pretty clear that Dogecoin is a good investment. It has the backing of people who matter, such as billionaire Elon Musk. Most importantly, this crypto is inflationary, which makes it perfect for everyday transactions. This can open up its adoption in the long run as an everyday use currency. That said, it's always good to approach the market rationally. With the market, this high leverage trading should be used with caution. So guys, tell me, are you holding some Dogecoin? Tell me in the comments area what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive all the updates. And let's grow the crypto world together. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.